Make a choice, make it fast. Lightning never strikes twice like a high, baby.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this bun look with the edges and all that. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So I always start off with shampooed and conditioned hair. As you can see here, it's still a little bit damp. So you're going to need a brush, a hair tie, bobby pins. I use Murray's Edgewax, oil of your choice, and Eco Styler gel. So the first thing that I do is put oil throughout my entire head just so my hair is moisturized, and I put it especially where I'm going to be putting all of my gel just so my hair doesn't get dried out. So now I'm gonna just brush my edges, and y'all, I would literally use a bristle brush for this, but I could not find it, so I just had to settle for this brush. But I would normally use a bristle brush for this step just so it can get extra smooth, but I did what I could to get it as smooth as possible. Now I put the Murray's Edgewax on first, and I love Murray's Edgewax because I feel like it really, especially for thicker hair types, slicks your hair down. Like Eco Styler gel, it works okay, but this slicks it down all the way. So as you can see, the Murray's Edgewax slicked my hair down pretty well, but I'm going to take the Eco Styler gel to make sure it's extra slick. And I also put the Eco Styler gel on my ends because I liked my bun to be curly on top, and it makes it easier to wrap the hair around when I'm putting in the bun. So now this is the hardest part. I'm just making sure my hair is extra smooth and tight enough for the ponytail. And here I literally put my hair in a ponytail, and when I do my bun, I just bun it like that and swivel it around, and then I just fluff out the bun. And as you can see, it's a weird shape, but then that's when I take some bobby pins and I pull out some pieces, and I just make sure I place everything where it needs to go to make it look like an actual bun. And my hair is a little frizzy, as you can see. I really wish I had my bristle brush. So I'm just going to take a little bit more gel so I can slick it up before I wrap it. And here is my scarf that I wrap my hair with. As you can see, it's as slick as can be. And I'm just going to wrap my hair for bed. So the next day, I basically just take off my scarf, and this is what I have. As you can tell, it's a little like frizzies, and I finally found my bristle brush, and that probably would have made it a lot more slick, but again, I'm just working with what I have. So I'm going to brush out my edges before I lay them and slick them down. For my edges, I started using the touchdown edge control, and I just tried it out. It's okay. Normally I put Got to Be Glued on top of it just because this is one of those edge controls where it's like it looks good for the certain amount of time, but if you mess with your edges too much, it'll like turn into like an oil. So I like to have Got to Be Glued on top most of the time, but for today it worked fine. guys so much for watching this video. I forgot to film an outro, but I just want to thank you guys. It's a simple look. It's easy. It literally takes me 12 minutes, 10-15 minutes max to do this hairstyle. So thank you guys so much for watching. It was highly requested, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.